Hi, this is Luke Russell here with Trade Algo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, unaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at Trade Algo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities with the most unusual signals of volume in these private exchanges so you can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money. Same thing with the trending downside of the equation, and of course, that's still going to apply to the small, mid, and the large cap spaces. Well, we can go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation here today. We're going to start out with UAL at the top of the board on our large cap space. You guys can see that there is a 245% increase in institutional bullish volume. Stock jumped nearly 6% as a result, which no surprises there. What our AI is detecting is that typically only $205 million of the stock is traded on a day-by-day average. Today alone, it was over $500 million. So it's 300 million extra than what it would normally receive. And look at the perfect climb that it made throughout the day today, all the way up to 51.40. Well, it's important to get access to that information early. As you can see right here, United Airlines is identified at 8:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on our alerts tab, with 3 times the average amount of trending up pressure than is normally seen there. If you had done transactions on United Airlines today, look at all these massive triple-digit winners. The $50 call option has the most daily volume in open interest. It probably would have been the breadwinner, the easiest one to go to. However, all of them move pretty excellently. We're going to take a look all the way down here. If you had started at the very beginning of the day, options were 28 cents. At its maximum, they moved 423%. Absolutely massive move. Really, you had a nice chunk of the morning to get into that play and still be really profitable. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until, let's say, noon Eastern Standard Time, and then maybe you got out early. That's still a 100% return, guys. It's still a triple-digit move. And it wasn't just United. There's many opportunities, actually way too many to go over. So really, we can only just go through maybe one or two more, and that's why I'm going to show you Carvana. Popped up at the or towards the top of the board on our small cap list here with a gigantic signal of institutional bullish pressure, about a 1,000% increase from what's normally seen there. No shock that the stock moves 40% as a result. And you could see Bed Bath & Beyond, MARA, Fubo, many other great potential trades to be taken. But again, we don't have time to look over all of them. So if you take a look at Carvana, you can see how at the very beginning of the market being open, the stock opened at around $5.43, jumped up to $8.30 at one point. Well, no surprises when it's getting hundreds of millions of extra dollars of trending up pressure from private exchange networks. There is no shock when it moves. You just have to get access to that information early. That's why our AI is able to, at 8:07 a.m., go through at lightning speed and find 12.58 times what's normally seen there in Carvana. If you had done transactions on the call option side of the equation, look at those massive triple and quadruple digit movers. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $8 call option at the beginning of the day. Actually, we're going to say you did the $7 call option. That was a little bit closer to the money at the beginning of the day. Really, you could have picked any of them, but look at how long you would have had to enter into this trade. It didn't start moving significantly until 11:30. At the very beginning of the day, from its open to its close, it's 1,400%. However, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you got out at a horrible exit later on. That's still a 120% return. It moved in total quadruple digits, almost 1,400%, right? And you had anything to execute in between that. And to round everything off, guys, we're going to take a look at the text alert that we had sent on MARA on January the 9th. MARA popped up on our system several different times throughout the week, originally on the 9th with a 285% increase in institutional trending up volume. You can see the timestamp right there down when the stock was at $4.33. And we sent out an alert right here for the $4.50 call expiring January the 13th at 34 cents, 9:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you had done the MARA $4.50 call, the stock was almost at $8 today. It's moved significantly even in the stock alone. But if you had done the $4.50 call option at 34 cents, all the way back on the 9th at its maximum right now, 664% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at Trade Algo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.